as the rain flies by, she starts to cry, she starts to cry. Is her girl alright? And the rain on a butterfly is keeping someone dry tonight. And the rain on a butterfly is keeping someone dry tonight. With every step the girl takes home, she doesn't know she's not alone. Her mother's arms, they wonder why her little girl is warm and dry. And the rain on the butterfly is keeping someone dry tonight. And the rain on the butterfly is keeping someone dry tonight. Cloudy day in an autumn sky, high above flies a